Hey, what's happening everybody? Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a great day for crypto. Everything is ripping back today. Love it. I think we are gearing up for a huge month of December, and this is the beginning. We're going to get back into the metaverse here in just a minute. Talk about the big three: ENJIN, DECENTRALAND, and SANDBOX, and also a couple others that I like. We're going to get into that in just a minute. But real quick, let me show you what's going on in the market right now. We are booming. As Antonio Brown would say, we are up 8.34%, actually a little bit less, just refreshed, down a little bit, but we're still up overall 7%. Looking fantastic today across the board. We've got green spattered everywhere as everything is ripping back today. Saitama doing really well, by the way, for those Saitama token holders out there. So Metaverse is the topic of discussion, though, in this video. Now, Metaverse token price analysis for the big three, as I like to call them: Mana, Sand, and ENJIN. And I'm going to give you which one I would go with if I had to pick one. Stick around for that later on in the video. So the Metaverse has become, of course, a huge topic of discussion, and it's going to be a huge part of the crypto ecosystem. As we know, the majority of Meta tokens were going through a correction phase in early October. If these tokens manage to sustain at these higher levels, the bulls may resume their rally for December. Now, as mentioned in the article that I went to a few days ago, Mana has really had some resistance there at the $5 mark, but it rallied a bit and faced strong resistance from the $5.90 mark, initiating another minor retracement for the token. I love Mana, though. This is one of the three that I own. This is actually the only one right now that I own. I did have some SANDBOX back in the day. Wish I wouldn't have got rid of it at 68 cents or something like that. But I did. But I still held my Mana at 65 cents. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Now, one that I'm looking to get into is actually ENJIN coin. And I'll tell you this, if I had to pick one of these three and I wanted to go a little bit low risk with my decision, I would go ENJIN, because ENJIN is kind of like a basket of Metaverse stocks in that, or Metaverse cryptos, in that, you know, having ENJIN is essentially kind of the infrastructure that allows all of this to take place. Okay, so that's how you can look at that. So I would bet on ENJIN if you don't want to take a ton of risk. Now, the SANDBOX, it too marked a new all-time high at the 850 mark after experiencing strong rejection from the resistance. The token entered into a retracement phase, plunged all the way to the 581, and has since been on a tear, though. Let's see where some of these are right now. Here is DECENTRALAND's at $4.98, so it's below $5 right now, actually. And SANDBOX is just over $7 right now. Still decent levels there for both of those. Now, if we scroll down here, the ENJIN token is the cheapest of the three, actually. The token price rallied to the 480 level before returning to its level of retest. And again, ENJIN token has a great possibility to be a great long-term play, in my opinion. All right, because again, it's kind of that infrastructure that's built into how these games are developed, right? ENJIN has a lot of that technology, a lot of those resources to help many new Metaverse tokens that will come in the future. So let's also see what else is out there, because I heard that there were some other articles out there. So cryptonews.net, great resource if you don't know what this is, right? Go right up here to the top bar, click in Metaverse, search it, okay? And then look at this. You can see all the various articles that are happening right now. So there you go. Top 5 crypto Metaverse token trades below $1 USD. All right, there you go. Boom. There's some great ones for you. WAX, Seek, CEEK, VEMP, TVK, and TLM. This one I've heard of, Alien Worlds. This one is going to be a good one. All right, I really like where this is heading. Alien Worlds is one that I really like, TLM. These others I have not heard of yet, but I'm sure we'll hear of them in the future. Again, go check out cryptonews.net. Type in the Metaverse. You can kind of keep up to date on the latest news and information out there. Of course, I'll be bringing you that as well right here on the channel. So Patreon link down below in the description. Webull, if you want a free stock from Webull, use my link down below. A couple free stocks, actually. If you want a free stock from Robinhood, got you covered down there. Coinbase, want $10 in Bitcoin? Got you covered. Crypto.com, got you covered down there as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Metaverse update again. ENJIN token is my play if I'm going low risk, but I love Mana, ENJIN, and SANDBOX for low risk, still high reward plays. But if you want a little bit more risk, take a look at some of these. WAX, CEEK, VEMP, TVK, and definitely take a look at TLM, Alien Worlds, one that I really like. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you in the next video.